Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to use Dropbox Fax. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, go to the Dropbox Fax homepage, where you'll find all the details about the service and how it integrates with your Dropbox account. Once there, click on Try Dropbox Fax for free. This option lets you explore the service before committing to a paid plan, which is great for understanding its features. Next, you'll need to sign up for an account. For convenience, you can choose to sign up using your Google account. Click Sign up with Google, then select the Google account you'd like to use. You'll be asked to grant permissions that allow Dropbox Fax to integrate with your Google account. Review these carefully and click Continue to move forward. After that, you'll see the Agree and Sign Up page. Take a moment to read through the terms of service, and once you're ready, click Agree and Sign Up to complete your account setup. Dropbox Fax may then offer you some premium upgrades or additional features, but if you prefer to use the basic version, simply select No thanks, I'm good. And that's it. You've successfully created your Dropbox Fax account. You can now send and receive faxes online directly from your Dropbox, making it easier to manage all your documents in one place. So that is how you can use Dropbox Fax. So that's all for this video. Thanks.